The atmosphere was electric at the Cannes Film Festival on May 14, 2025, for the premiere of Mission Impossible: Dead Reckoning Part 1. As guests arrived, they were greeted by a 40-piece orchestra playing the iconic Mission Impossible theme. The anticipation in the air was palpable. The film did not disappoint. Following the screening, the audience erupted in a thunderous standing ovation that lasted for 5 minutes. It was a clear testament to the film's power and the enduring appeal of Tom Cruise and the Mission Impossible franchise. The premiere was more than just a film screening. It was a celebration of cinema. Cannes, known for its appreciation of cinematic artistry, provided the perfect backdrop for the film's debut. The 5-minute standing ovation was not just for the film itself, but also for the incredible efforts of the cast and crew. It was a recognition of their dedication to pushing the boundaries of filmmaking. The premiere of Dead Reckoning Part 1 at Cannes felt particularly significant. The film industry had faced numerous challenges in recent years, from the global pandemic to industry strikes. The fact that the film was completed and premiered on such a grand stage was a victory in itself. It served as a reminder of the resilience of the industry and its power to unite and inspire. The enthusiastic response at Cannes set the stage for the film's worldwide release. It generated significant buzz and anticipation among moviegoers. The premiere served as a reminder of the power of cinema to entertain, thrill, and bring people together. It was a night to remember in the history of the Mission Impossible franchise and a testament to the enduring star power of Tom Cruise. Mission Impossible: Dead Reckoning. Part 1 continues the franchise's tradition of delivering breathtaking, death-defying stunts. Tom Cruise, known for his commitment to performing his own stunts, again raises the bar. The film features a series of heart-stopping action sequences that left the audience on the edge of their seats. From a motorcycle chase through the narrow streets of Venice to a daring train sequence that defies gravity, the film is a visual spectacle. One particular stunt, a motorcycle jump off a cliff followed by a base jump, has been hailed as one of the most audacious stunts in cinematic history. Cruise trained for months to prepare for this stunt, which required incredible precision and nerves of steel. The audience's reaction to this stunt was a mixture of awe and terror. Some audience members reportedly had to look away from the screen during this intense sequence. The stunts in Dead Reckoning Part 1 are not just about spectacle, they are integral to the plot and character development. They showcase Ethan Hunt's unwavering determination and his willingness to risk everything to save the world. The film's director, Christopher McQuarrie, seamlessly blends these incredible stunts with the narrative, creating a truly immersive and thrilling cinematic experience. The film's commitment to practical stunts, rather than relying heavily on CGI, is evident in every frame. This dedication to realism adds a visceral intensity to the action sequences. The audience is right there with Ethan Hunt, feeling every bump, every twist, and every near-death experience. This dedication to practical effects is a testament to the filmmaker's commitment to delivering a truly authentic and unforgettable cinematic experience. Tom Cruise's dedication to the Mission Impossible franchise is no secret. For Dead Reckoning Part 1, he pushed himself further than ever before, both physically and emotionally. His performance is both physically demanding and emotionally resonant. He brings a depth to Ethan Hunt that is captivating. One scene that particularly captivated the audience was a 3-minute knife fight. Cruise, known for his intense preparation, trained extensively for this scene. His movements are swift, precise, and utterly believable. The scene is a masterclass in action choreography and demonstrates Cruise's commitment to authenticity. In another memorable sequence, Cruise performs part of an underwater sequence in minimal clothing, wearing only boxer briefs. This unexpected reveal, while surprising, served to highlight his commitment to the role. It showcased his willingness to push his own boundaries and add an element of vulnerability to the character. Beyond the physical demands, Cruise also delves into the emotional complexities of Ethan Hunt in Dead Reckoning Part 1. He conveys a sense of weariness and the toll that years of dangerous missions have taken on him. This emotional depth adds a new layer to the character, making him even more relatable and human. Cruise's performance in Dead Reckoning Part 1 is a testament to his dedication to his craft. He is not just an actor playing a role, he fully inhabits the character of Ethan Hunt. His commitment to the role, both physically and emotionally, is evident in every scene. It is this dedication that has made him one of the biggest movie stars in the world and has kept audiences coming back to the Mission Impossible franchise for almost 3 decades. Mission Impossible: Dead Reckoning Part 1 serves as a powerful reminder of the enduring legacy of the franchise. For almost 3 decades, the Mission Impossible films have entertained audiences worldwide with their blend of action, suspense, and cutting-edge filmmaking. Dead Reckoning, Part 1 not only lives up to the high bar set by its predecessors, but also expands upon the franchise's mythology, introducing new characters and storylines that promise to keep audiences on the edge of their seats. Director Christopher McQuarrie, who has helmed the franchise since Rogue Nation, deserves immense credit for breathing new life into the series. He has successfully balanced the familiar elements that fans love with fresh ideas and innovative action sequences. His collaboration with Tom Cruise has resulted in some of the most thrilling and memorable action films of the 21st century. The film also boasts a stellar ensemble cast, featuring both returning favorites like Simon Pegg, Ving Rhames, and Rebecca Ferguson, as well as exciting newcomers like Hayley Atwell and Isai Morales. This blend of familiar faces and fresh talent adds another layer of depth and excitement to the film. The chemistry between the cast members is undeniable, and their performances elevate the already strong material. While the film's box office performance fell short of expectations, grossing $571 million worldwide compared to Fallout's $791 million, it is important to consider the changing landscape of the film industry. The global pandemic and the rise of streaming services have undoubtedly impacted box office numbers. However, the film's critical acclaim and enthusiastic audience reception suggest that it will have a long life on streaming platforms and home entertainment, solidifying its place within the franchise's legacy. Mission Impossible: Dead Reckoning Part 1 is a testament to the enduring power of practical filmmaking, captivating storytelling, and the sheer willpower of Tom Cruise. It is a film that will stay with the audiences long after the credits roll, leaving them eager for the next chapter in the Mission Impossible saga. The film's release date of May 23, 2025 is sure to be a major event for moviegoers worldwide, and it is safe to say that the Mission Impossible franchise is in very capable hands.